Welcome to Calvince Online Math. Let us look at this nice question. So we have evaluate 50 raised to power 3 over 4 times 5 over root 2 raised to power negative half. So the first thing is just to write 50 in terms of 5s and 2s. So we can do that by taking 2 times 25 raised to power 3 over 4 times this. We can also rewrite this. Remember that if you take the root of a number is the same as that number raised to power half. So it means here we can have 5 over 2 raised to power half, and the whole of that is raised to power negative 1 over 2. Then we can rewrite this as 2 times 5 raised to power 2, and that is raised to power 3 over 4. And then again, we can rewrite, if you have a number, 1 over a raised to power n, that is the same as a raised to power negative n. So we can rewrite this as 5 times 2 raised to power negative half. And then remember the whole of this is raised to power negative half. So now we just open up these brackets and apply the powers across all of the components. So we have 2 raised to power 3 over 4 times 5 raised to power 2 times 3 over 4. That is 3 over 2 times 5 raised to power negative half times 2 raised to power negative half times negative half. That is positive 1 over 4. So now we just collect the like terms together and apply the laws of indices. That means we're going to have 2 raised to power 3 over 4 times these are the 2 raised to power 1 over 4 times the 5s. That will be 5 raised to power 3 over 2 times 5 raised to power negative half. So according to the laws of indices, that is actually the first law. If you have a raised to power n times a raised to power m, that is the same as a raised to power n plus m. So we can apply that to combine these terms here. So we're going to have for the first one 2 raised to power 3 over 4. So you just add the powers, you'll have plus 1 over 4 times 5. You apply the same, that is 3 over 2 plus negative half, that is the same as minus half. So if you simplify this, 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4 is 1. So you have 2 raised to power 1 times 3 over 2 minus half is 1. So you have 5 raised to power 1. That is like 2 times 5, which is just 10. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.